Well, good evening, YouTube. I'm going to do a quick wrap up out here in the field. I don't know if you can hear my buddy, he's still out there bleeping. I'm wore out. First thing I found was a surface find, and it was a flashlight. Wandering around out here. They've cleared a bunch of roads and lanes out. Probably going to be a subdivision out here pretty soon. A couple of more surface finds, some old iron. I like collecting this kind of stuff. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I have a lot of it. Old square head bolts. This would appear to be some kind of a lug nut, but it's really big. That's a quarter. I don't know. Square head. Found some clad coins. Three Merry Widows, $1. Appear to be a 9mm. Head stamp. That's about it. I'm gonna call it a wrap. Adios.